Hi guys, welcome to the shed sesh. So thought I'd finally pull my finger out and get this video done. I actually filmed all this last winter, and now we're right in the guts of the next winter. So needed to be done, and yeah, I've used it a bit over the last couple of winters, and it's been a tidy little unit. So this is the review of the FANMASTER IGH2-20. So some of the specs: 20 kilowatt, 70 megajoules an hour, uses LPG, or just barbecue gas, I think propane in the States. Gas consumption is 1.4 kilograms an hour, so a standard sort of 8 kilo bottle lasts about 5.7 hours. One thing I did find though is that you never really need it flat strap. In the garage I'm filming at the moment, it's about, say, maybe 8 meters by 6 meters by 2 meters high, and it heats up in about 2 minutes. Now you definitely need to keep some aeration going. Obviously the gas is burning the oxygen in the air and pumping out some CO2, and as well as the heat. So you need constant supply of oxygen coming in. And yeah, assembly wasn't that hard. A lot of the bits and pieces are just awkward looking, but once you work out where they go, they're not too hard at all. When you do start screwing it together, keep all the screws loose, as you should do with pretty much anything. Keep them loose until you've got it all put together, and then go through and tighten them up. But a few more specs. We've got airflow is about 138 litres a second, 27 RPM, I suppose, the fan speed. You should keep 0.6 meters either side free when it's running, and 1.8 on top and 2.4 in the front. You'll see when it fires up, quite easily singe your hairs. And again, keep it in an aerated space. I suppose ideally it'd be like a three-sided garage or something like that, or a big factory where you could open the roller door. You just have to be careful when you have it running flat out. As I said, that it'll heat up a space about 8 by 6 by 2 in about 2 minutes. I've got the other shed there, it's 12 meters by 6 meters by 3 meters to the eaves. Then you've got the roof space. That took a good 10 to 12 minutes to heat up to a comfortable level. And again, it's just it'll all depend on your situation and what your area is. But again, make sure you get plenty of oxygen in there, so you don't do yourself a bit of a mischief. So here I am, just sort of putting it together. We've got the legs on. That was easy. Plugging it in, putting in the gas tube. It won't ignite or turn on without the fan on. So as you'll see here in a second, see, I was trying to work out the knobs there. That's the a push button. So I tried there, nothing happened. Yeah, it'll actually stop the gas coming out. You have to turn it on for the gas to come out, and quite literally one click, bang, she's going. You don't have to keep your hand down on that left sort of gas starter for too long. You just let it run. Again, as I said, generally I have to turn it down because the heat coming out of it's pretty insane. It's 20 kilowatt. You can get 10 kilowatt ones, 15 kilowatt, so just keep an eye on that when you're doing it. And that's about it, guys. I've used it for a couple of winters, and it's still haven't gone through a gas bottle. You just turn it on every few minutes just to heat the place up, then turn it off again. So yeah, it's been great. Well, yeah, and if you want, you can toast the marshmallows. It worked well. Sorry, I couldn't find smaller marshmallows. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this very quick review. Please like and subscribe, and share it around. Let's try and get this channel pumping. Thanks, guys. Be good.